Wrap your iron in this. This genius trick is something everyone should know. Just do one thing, and all your fabrics will be smoothed out much faster and with less effort. Remember this trick and be sure to try it at home. Take some aluminum foil. It turns out that regular kitchen foil can greatly simplify your life and speed up the entire process. Wrap it around the item you want to iron, ensuring the shiny side is facing up. This will significantly speed up your ironing because it will feel like you're smoothing the fabric from both sides at once. Next, place the iron directly on the foil and start ironing. The foil acts as an insulator and reflects heat. As a result, the heat will penetrate the fabric from both sides simultaneously, saving you a lot of time and energy. Ironing has never been easier. Your clothes will be perfectly ironed and in just a third of the time.